them people them come in, please. I can't see right here, so. Queens, kings, hello, 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 hello. Good night.
Hello, good night, good night, good night, kings and queens.
Happy Wednesday.
Long time no see.
Long time no see, Wagwan. Up and come in, my beautiful people. What's happening? Huh? Feel like a forever since me not out here.
Right. It's been a minute.
I miss y'all. I miss y'all. I miss you all. How are you guys? Good night. Gil. Lord, they run fast. Audrey Shaw. Laverne. Waverly. Donna Douglas. Sharnette. Michelle Matthews. Wagwan Nation. Big up yourself. Yolanda Lee. Nadine. Marva. We are going to try go as fast as we can. Desna. Trin
Kirk.
Africa. No, Alrika. Sorry.
Patricia.
Duval. Laurel. Wagwan. Elaine. Gritley. How you doing? Paulette Brown. Yummy, 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 yummy for your tummy. Where you over there eat? You wanna still eat bun? Wagwan.
Augustine.
I am Sandra.
Sandra Copeland.
Wagwan. Kathleen. What's going on? Good night. Good night, everyone. If we miss her, hopefully you'll come back up in the comment or we can see you again. Tashi, Wagwan. Angela. Yes.
Tasha.
Yes. Collins, is that how you pronounce it? Lord God. Big up on yourself.
Big up.
Big up. What's going on? Hopefully you guys had a wonderful Easter weekend. Yes. Wanna eat up all of the bun and cheese them? Me never get no bun and cheese.
I did. I ate bun and cheese.
Me's not a lover of bun. No, I'm not a bun lover.
I love bun and cheese.
She love bun and cheese. Me's not a bun lover at all. But me have fish, me have fried fish, yes. Me have fish, yes. Marcia Beckford, how you doing? Precious. Julian, how you doing? Yes, big up on herself. Sophia Martin. How y'all doing? Hopefully everybody had a good. So before we get into where we come out here to get into, I just want to update everybody that had won from the underwear giveaway that are in Jamaica. Your stuff will be shipped off on Saturday. We forgot about the Easter weekend, so and I forgot that I wasn't gonna be here. I wasn't gonna be home, so I had to reschedule for Saturday, this coming Saturday. All right, all of your packages are together with your phone number and your name inside of your package. When it gets to Jamaica, for all who have never won anything from us, people who have already won stuff, they know how the process work. Someone will reach out to you and then they'll send you your stuff, ship you your stuff on the Oxford Express. The Oxford Express.
Yes.
That's how we do it. All right. So it's gonna leave. They're gonna pick it up on Saturday. Usually it takes around 10 days.
To 2 weeks.
2 weeks to get there. So you'll get a call from someone that represents us. Once it gets there. All right.
And you have to also remember it has to take time to customs.
To clear custom, right?
Yes, so above and beyond the shipping, you have to allow customs.
Yes.
But it's coming.
But it's coming, and I apologize for the misinterpretation at the time. Well, no misinterpretation, but forget that I had a trip planned. And I wasn't gonna be home to have them pick it up. But it's coming. It's coming. Yeah, your beautiful underwears, they're coming, and everybody that already got theirs in the United States, they've reached out and tell me how lovely they are. So yes, enjoy. Yes. So what a go on from what a go on?
From what now go on?
From what now go on? Thank you all for the prayers. When I close my eyes now, I can see. Yes, man. I can see. I can see all kinds of things.
She can see clearly now.
Yeah, I can see clearly now. Yes, me just do it to see how much on a pay attention. And believe me, the walla on a bright.
You see, if she'd have put a laughing emoji, everybody would have laughed.
Yes, everybody that pick on to it.
Yes.
So, but me want to read and pay attention. On a good enough.
On a good man.
On a good.
Proud of you.
Me catch one and two people, but the majority of honor catch on. Yes, catch on.
Yes.
Me like honor attention to details. Yes, man. Thank God for the prayers, because see, when I close my eyes, I see all type of things. I see food I run past me. I see Miss Lothian and pork I run past me. All kind of shit I can see. Yes, man. When I close my eyes, I can see all kind of same thing. Yes. So,
Speak my mind.
Speak my mind entertainment.
Well,
What's up? How you doing, bro? You doing well? All right, big up yourself. Big up yourself. If we miss anybody, any other platform holder, big up on yourself, because a lot of times when we get off, we notice. So we have somebody from a platform that I watch and say, Stacey, big up yourself, my sister. How you doing? What's good? How you doing? All right. Hope you're feeling better. Hope your arm feeling better. Yes. Hope
Praying for a speedy recovery for you.
Yes, man. Big up yourself.
Also want to tell Jennifer, happy birthday.
Jennifer Gooden, one of our supporters. I just want to take the time out to say happy birthday to you. I hope you had a wonderful day.
I hope you had a blessed birthday.
To have a wonderful night, right? And may God blesses you
life.
with plenty more healthy and happy birthdays.
Yes.
All right? Big up yourself, sis.
Big up.
Yes. So, and for all the new people who are watching us tonight, I am Chocolate.
And I am Vanilla.
And I'm also AKA Master Baker. I have a character called Master Baker, which I'm about to venture into how many seasons? My top count. My top count. But Master Baker plan for come out big and bad and bold. Yes. So you know people, me come out with Master Baker and somebody took ownership of my Master Baker and said my Master Baker belonged to them. And the same, Lord, me not like my mind for even go at them part there of social media. Because I really people, me not think about them people there, you know. Yeah, me don't know why people not stop send me them people there, you know. But for some reason, God Almighty. When am I gonna stop? Yeah? Somebody send me this. I don't know why I open it. But this weirdo, this person when I have my life. You understand? Where I got reach 100. If them live to see 100 are still upon social media. Just a leech from people. Just a parasite. Just somebody where no ambition, same way. Just, I don't know. My last word for them people there. You understand? But somebody take ownership of my Master Baker. And say my Master Baker is about them. So now them a call me out, say them need me to come out, come skit out my auntie. First of all, let me get this clear before me go in the topic what me come with. No girl. You understand? This is Chocolate. No girl, no boy, no underprivileged. Somebody can call me out and tell me what to do. And you will never live to see me come on social media and skit out my auntie. You understand?
True.
So, And you say you are going to skit me out. I have a message for you because I'm sick and tired of you. Anytime you're ready to skit me out, make sure you upgrade me. Because if Master Baker is about you, I definitely did upgraded you. You understand? Make sure your background represent mine. And make sure it's yours. Else you can't skit out chocolate. You understand? Make sure you don't live upon people who are ambitious, people who are going somewhere and say that's chocolate. You understand? If I skit you out, I definitely provided a room for your dryer and your washer. So make sure, me should call out, Vanilla, me no need no help. Yes, me no need no help.
All right,
yes,
fine.
Me I talk to her since she sent come call me. Me come tonight to tell you. You cannot skip me out without upgrading me. You understand? Because if my Master Baker is about you, I definitely upgraded you. You understand? Yes? So don't think about me. Don't even let me come in your thought because I don't think about you. You understand? I am sick and tired of you calling up my name when I'm not even you're not even upon my mind. You're not even cross my thought. I'm here trying to make my life better so me not have to come on social media and live upon people and envy people and bad mind people. You understand? You understand? Me I look in my camera and talk to you. You hear me? Stop create fake account for stalk way. I am strictly dickly.
Me too.
You hear me? You understand me? Make sure when you skip me out, no offense to anyone that lives in a basement, but you cannot skit out chocolate and be in a basement, honey. You cannot do it. You're not skitting out chocolate. You cannot skit out chocolate and be broke. That's not chocolate. You cannot skit out chocolate and be bad mind, because that's not chocolate. You understand me? You cannot skit out chocolate pan a fake body, because all of this natural, as big as it might be, it is natural and it is clean. It stay clean and it smell clean. You cannot skit out chocolate with a white tongue, because chocolate take pride in our hygiene. You understand me? Yeah? So, therefore you can never, ever, ever skip me out. You can't skip me out. I'm not progressive in America. You cannot skip me out. You understand? You can't do it. Because you wouldn't be skitting out chocolate. You understand? Me not come on this shit and brag to nobody. I am a down to earth as they ever come. But don't let me go there. You understand? Don't let me go there. If you can't cheer for other women who are making it in life, that's not chocolate. You can't skip me out. You hear me? You hear me? You can't skip me out. If you're not depend yourself for nothing, absolutely nothing, more than pastime, and entertain people and be a positive influence into people's life, you can't skip me out. Girl, you cannot skip me out. Me sick and tired of you. I call up your name when we don't remember you. We don't come on this shit and in a drama. Me say what me have to say. And just like every motherfucker in America, we have freedom of speech. You understand me? So you cannot skip me out. You have to upgrade me. And if you not upgrade me, that ain't chocolate. You're skitting out. You hear me? You understand me? if you can't upgrade me and a chocolate that you are skit out,
Right.
me can lose my weight anytime. But the dirty and corrupt art where you have in here, that permanent. You hear me? Me no look upon other women and envy them for nothing at all. Me never ever look upon a girl on social media and wish me a them. Me comfortable in my own skin and my own position. You understand me? So you cannot skip me out. You hear me? You can't skip me out. If you are a millionaire in Jamaica before you are 20 years old, you can't skip me out, girl. You cannot skip me out. You hear me? So keep my name off of your tongue. And a girl can't send come call me. Me come and do my master bake when me ready. Me no bow to nobody. Me no pet and me no powder and lotion nobody. You hear me? Me nice. That's naturally me. But me have another side. And you don't want to see it. Because probably you never heard of me. You hear me? Me stay away from people on social media. Me stay away from them business. And me mind the business that pays me. Me mind the business that can afford me to help people without people on social media even knowing. Because me don't want no praises. A God forget it. A God forget all of the praises. You understand me? So when you sit down by your platform and continue hustling and call up my name, take it off of your white tongue. You hear me? Take it off of your white tongue. Becoming in a bag of talking. Me prefer show you. Me better at showing than me can tell you. A time now for no make an allegation them against me. Me a wait pan on. Me have a check put down for one of
Ready.
And an hot ear come out of my mouth. You understand me? Me not play a picnic game. Me's a grown ass woman. Me's a business woman. And I love to make people laugh. And I come up and stand up for who me believe, who me like on social media. You come out and you stand up for who you like. The same right you have to speak on who you like. And the things that you like are the same fucking rights me have in America. You understand? So if you ever eat me for the rights where me have to love somebody, by all means, me not ask if you like me. But keep me off of your mind. Me nice and decent people them will watch me. Me sorry for the profanity. But this bitch get on my nerve. Leave me the hell alone. Leave me alone. I'm not thinking about you. So don't think about me.
Right.
You understand? And let me tell you again. Nobody can send call me and tell me who to skit out. You understand? Go call your picnic them daddy. You can't call me. Go call your mama. You can't call me. Go call your drunk cross spirit friends them. You cannot call me. You hear me? Me not answer to people like you. You hear me? You say you can't come give me no instruction. Yeah? Leave me the hell alone and go sell your fucking cupcakes them. You hear me? Go work on your cupcakes them. Yeah. Yeah. You understand me? I go look a magazine for go on. Because according to you, you're the prettiest shit out there. You understand? Yeah. Go look a magazine for go on. Because the cake business now work for you. Because if it didn't work for you, you wouldn't be so fucking miserable.
Right.
You understand? Leave me alone. Leave me over here in my little cub. Leave me the fuck alone. You understand? Whatever you want to call me, that's your problem. However you want to look upon me and class me, that's your problem. Me no look upon woman, sir. You hear me? And if me that look pan woman, most certainly not you.
Wanna be you.
You understand? Yeah. So, when you ready, if you skip me out, make sure you upgrade me. Because if your background don't look like for my own, you ain't skitting out chocolate. If you wash and dryer, a shear, please, with your plate and your cup and your fork, them, you're not skitting out chocolate. You understand me? You're not skitting out chocolate. Yeah, me upgrade you. If you think Master Baker was about you, me definitely upgrade. You sorry ass. You should have feel special. Leave me alone. Kings and queens, me tired of it. Because we don't come on here come trouble nobody. We don't come on here and trouble and interfere with people. We come on here and we stand up for somebody that we like. What's wrong with that?
Nothing.
You understand? What's wrong with that? Me have the same rights that everybody have. Me can like who me like. Me can cheer for who me want cheer for. That don't mean that somebody will lift on me. The fuck is our problem? Huh? We come out here and we try to make, we try to entertain, to make people them laugh. Because so many people just need a little laughter to change them day. People are going through so much. And we could have shot, we could have not depend you. Because we're not fit upon you. But we want to do that. It's in our hearts. I know everybody pan here so wants something off of social media. And I'm one of them.
Me too.
Vanilla and I. And here don't make us eat. And here don't make us travel. I don't have to come on here when I travel.
We give it back.
You understand? I'm not knocking anybody who make some money off of social media. They're not stealing. That's what it's there for. As long as they're not stealing anybody. Mark Zuckerberg put it into place to give people incentive to be on here. I'm not knocking anybody who gets incentives to be on here. But don't want to come start no war with us because we're not into that. Me don't need no war for no crowd come over here for me make no money. I don't need that. I'm genuinely here to bring people some type of joy. I realize my household is not the only household in the world. I know real people in a real life. Sometimes all they need is somebody to make them laugh. I know people in real life, as little as the credits are, it helps them. And that's what we want to do. I know people in real life that can't get up and go to church because they can't walk them in them bed. So we come out here and we play some gospel music. Because see, we don't just think about ourselves. Leave us alone. Leave us alone. May God breeze continue to blow upon way. You now go bully we into liking who you like. It's not gonna happen. Until that person does us wrong, then we determine whether or not we gonna like her. No ears say not gonna make me not like her. No assumption not gonna make me don't like her. It's that simple. Leave me alone.
Leave me alone.
And this is my final warning to you. Because if you gonna skip me, you haven't seen anything yet. from Master Baker. That was just the tip of the iceberg. Because when I ask you, may I tell you, you can't act like me. You understand? So if you want to skit for skit, bring it. Bring it. But you will never live to see me skit out my auntie or my sister. You're not going to live to see that. Hold your breath. Yeah.
Keep holding it.
And keep holding it. Sorry guys, I'm not read the comments because I want this message. Forget to this. All crosses. I block her from a page multiple times. And she go once more. She create these fake profiles. And she stalk people. And she make lives on people. And she deletes them. So now when I come out, I should look like an idiot talking to her because maybe that live is not even there. But I know what I've seen.
Yep.
And Chocolate have no reason for come out here, come make up anything on anyone. Don't call me. Don't call my name.
Mine either.
See me and go on like you don't see me. You hear me? Yeah. I'm in a terrible tonight. I'm not. A couple bad words slip out, but I'm not terrible. I can take it there. I chose not to. Because I have a family that I have to represent. I have myself that I have to represent. Yes? And most importantly, I fear God with every being in my body. You understand? So I don't want to go there. But don't look upon me niceness and my coolness and take it for granted. Don't do it. Don't do it. All we're out here for though, I give love. Understand? When I come out and dip up in a people business. When I come out here and dip up under nobody. We see and blind. We hear and deaf. If we don't want to be associated with certain things, we stay away from it. It's that simple. We keep life going. You like us? Fine. You don't like us? Life goes on. And that's how we do it. You support us, we support you. We support you, and even if you don't support we still continue to support you. That's how we do it. We're not out here for causing a problem with nobody. And it's going to remain that way. Understand? Leave us alone. Stop riding. We don't have any dicks over here.
None.
We don't have no dicks over here.
No.
We talk about bringing, but he's not over here. So quit riding. Quit riding us. Sick of you. I'm trying to stay positive, people. But we are human beings. We are human beings. We're common flesh and bone. We have feelings. You understand?
We ignore
enough. We ignore a lot.
A lot.
We're the queens of ignoring. You understand? We are the queens of ignoring. We ignore a lot.
A lot.
But me have to make a girl know, say. Me not afraid of her. You no make a iron and me make a flesh. It who we make a flesh, honey.
Right.
What make her get up and bad mind you for? I don't see anybody that I bad mind.
None.
What reason? What bad mind ever get me? Me sitting here and bad minding somebody. How is that gonna let me have what the person have? That is waste of energy.
Yep.
Huh? What is it? Yeah, when we're not here, so we get paid. Get paid for what? Are you sick in your head? For defend people? You're still on that?
You can't get
You're stuck. Yet. Don't you see you're stuck? Sometimes enough people.
Sound like a broken record.
Sometimes enough people, you see some people get old enough, them old age. And sometimes them they all a nursing home or hospital. And they have no family come visit them. And you go and you feel sorry for them, And people like them, get old, Some of them. You have some of them family just, me feel sad for them one. But you have some of them, And how them live them life. And not everybody you feel sorry for. How them live them life and treat people. Them end up all in when them get older in a nursing home and nobody no come visit them. No family, nobody. How them some of them treat people in a life. And some of them get back where them work for because people are pitying at them food. Because you tell me no. Somebody like all this girl here. When he get old, somebody not deserve to pity in them food. Use all the friggin' toast and wipe them body with it and then feed her. People like them upon social media. Yes. Home attendant, when them all the people like them get old and home attendant go them for go take care of them. Yeah man, if you can pity in them food. Take it toast and lick yes, take it toast and bounce on them batty jar and then butter it give them. Because them just they live in a society just right on people day in and day out. Not have no life, not have no use in a life. And not everybody get up and sorry for. Sometimes you see some people out on the roadside. I pick out their head and a name. I think them what they do to people in a life. Some of them. Some of them sick and want dead and can't dead. Because of how them treat people in a life, them grown and treat people terrible. For no reason.
None.
And then you might see them and feel bad for them. I see it where them sow. Them a reap. Can't me see enough of them on social media. Me not ask when some of them old and get all in a nursing home or in a them bed, nobody not show up for them. They must sit down there, lay down there and want dead and can't dead.
And suffer.
And suffer.
Suffer in life.
Suffer. No picnic. No nothing.
Picnic no one nothing for do with them.
Yes. No nothing. Because they're miserable. And you imagine how much more miserable them be when they get to them the stage there. Is them so miserable now? Yeah? You imagine? Huh? God dang. So people can just get up and be on the social media and just be miserable every freaking day. Huh?
Sad.
If you don't have nothing for give God thanks for, give God thanks for that. Me kings and queens. So not to get up every day like that and be miserable.
Give God thanks for life.
Give God thanks for that. If you don't get up from morning and give God thanks. Give him thanks right now for that. Because that's a burden right there. That's a every friggin' load. That everything somebody do in them life affects you. You imagine that the way you carry around? It's like walking around with somebody on your back every rotty day.
That's crazy.
When I think about you.
Now look your way.
You understand? What a life. Huh? It just baffles me. Because every minute, them get up and talk about America, America. If you're not the land of the free and the home of the brave and everything is so wonderful, why does people's life affects you like that? Where you get time to make a life of your own? Where you get the focus from, to focus on you and your life? How that happen? Huh? Woman, in the name of Jesus, leave me alone.
Me too.
You hear me? You saw how long it take me to come out here, to come respond to you. Can you pass your place now? Think you can come give me task for the
instruction.
Instruction. Yeah? You think I girl this over here, sir? Hmm? Yeah? You think I girl this over here, sir? People. Yes, the Facebook miscreate them. Yes. The leeches them. We just live on people. Mighty God. We don't have families. We don't get no love. We don't get no attention.
You know, look so.
Huh? No attention. No love. No affection. None of that.
None.
And you're a pretty woman in the world and you not get none of that. They make me turn big, fat and ugly. You hear me? Make me turn right here so big, fat and ugly. Because remember me tell you. Make me turn you so big, fat and ugly. And you stay the be Miss World. Because me prefer to get everything will come with this big, fat, ugly self than to be Miss World over there and so miserable and lonely and sad. You're sad, you know, woman. You're very sad.
Very sad.
Yes. You're sad. You're sadder than any funeral me ever go to. And I've been to some sad funerals. But you're sad. All these years you're out here and you're getting to it with everybody. All these years you've been out here. Not the same bullshit.
No change.
When you're going to evolve, when you're going to see, are you a farm against yourself? You are the weapon where farm against yourself. When you're going to see that? We don't know you. We never meet you in a day in our life. What we can't over you, so I do you.
Right.
Huh? Crackers and biscuit. Yes, crackers good for gas.
Biscuit too.
Yes, crackers and biscuit. Whatever you want, call us.
Yeah.
Yes, as long as nobody no call with you, we're fine.
Right.
That's the worst thing them could ever call with. You hear me? So you can call with every name you want in the book. As long as they don't call us you. We're fine with that.
All right.
It's the lowest thing them could ever call with.
That would be an insult.
Yeah. Leave her alone. Leave us alone. Woman. Me can't bring myself to even say your name out of my mouth. I cannot bring myself to mention your name on my platform. I feel like it would just devalue everything about this platform. Leave us alone. Go ahead and skip me. Or so you think. You cannot skip Master Baker or me without upgrading me. Because if Master Baker is about you, let me speak it for you. If Master Baker was ever about you, I most definitely have upgraded you. So if you're going to skip me, make sure you upgrade me like I did for you.
Right.
Okay? Okay? Otherwise, you can't skit chocolate or master baker.
Or vanilla.
Or vanilla. You hear me? You cannot. You cannot. Yes. See, well, yes, I'm done with the R. That's it. That's all I have to say to her. I am patiently waiting on the day that they will accuse me of something that I didn't do.
Chocolate and vanilla
BFF. I'm
We're waiting.
patiently waiting.
Patiently waiting.
Over here. Just remember that. Patiently.
You think a big and bad, bring it.
That's it.
Chocolate
If bugger
and
talk,
vanilla
if bugger talk, I'm not in the bugger talk.
Oh.
You understand? When I come out here and want to talk, I want to talk to my wonderful kings and queens. You understand? Yes. Y'all don't worth my time. Yeah. It's hard to stay calm when someone is at you Exactly, Juliet. Exactly. It's hard. It's very hard. Especially people of those. People like those. You understand me? Yeah. You know? We'll come out here tonight. You may know why the crowd over here, because I'm going at her. But this is not a drama page. Me just come out and say what me got to say. My kings and queens will tell you that I don't ride on this. You understand? Me talk what me have to talk, and me keep it moving, and me gone. Yeah? But there's just so much a person can take. Yes. And you're out of order. Because nobody over here talking about you.
We're not even a little
We don't
away.
remember you.
No.
We don't think of you. Leave
Not at
us
all.
alone. Yes, we are crackers and biscuit. Yes.
Yes, okay.
Yes. Me big like my auntie. Yes.
All
What
right.
else?
Me
All
a
right. We're
pencil.
ugly. Yes.
Me a
yes.
pencil,
She
and
a
it's my
pencil.
number 2.
Yes. Yes.
Me worth
What
something.
else? What else? What else? Huh? Everything where you say yes. 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 What else? Come off away. We don't have any dicks over here.
We're not nobody.
We don't have nobody.
No.
Alright? Leave we alone and stop right away. You understand? Yes, leave we alone.
Go on about your business.
Yes. Yeah? Leave we alone. Leave we and we look at people them over here. I love we deal with over here, so. You understand? Yes. That's it.
That's it.
Deanna, how you doing, Deanna Sharon Wall? I believe is carrying a general curse. It gotta be a curse. It gotta be some generational curse. It gotta be some ghost that is living at the basement will jump inside her and possess her. And not my fault.
Mine either.
And not my fault. Shoot. And not my fault. Make some fun. Yeah. And not my fault. That you are possessed by some dopey in New York. And not my fault. Not my fault. You understand? But chocolate. Me want you come out, come skit your auntie. Me want you put on big trash bag. Oh no, you not have to put on a big trash bag because you're not big the same. So what you think, I insult that? We're not the biggest people in our world. You know much people bigger than we. And that goes to show you, say, we can't afford the food. Unlike you, we couldn't pay $20, 30 or whatever dollar for a couple plastic lobster, plastic shrimp, whatever it might be. That goes to show so we not no problem in the food department. You understand? What you want? You think that I gonna insult me? Please.
No insult over here.
Please. You can't body shame me. You can't body shame me. Because one thing about me, I'm not insecure. I've been skinny, I've been in between, and I'm the size that I am now. Yes. So what? Happily married. My husband think I'm the most beautiful woman in the world. Skinny or fat according to you. So why your problem? Yeah? Why your problem? You sit down on what's big. That's the thing. You sit down pan we big. We can work out and lose what big, but when you sit down pan, I hit big. You understand? We sit down pan we small, and you sit down pan we big. How about that? I love myself. Yes. And God love me more. Yeah. Yeah. Can Joe, oh, look at me. Yes. Me no grudge nobody for nothing plastic on it. You hear me? The only thing, me no wear nothing plastic either. Because the wig them when me wear a human wig. Yeah. My wig them so friggin' gorgeous that me come out here without... Me not even about to go with you now. Because me will tell you something tonight and I'm not going to believe a chocolate.
Big up Flawless.
Big up Flawless. How you doing, Flawless? Yeah. Me not do what nobody want me to do. Me do what chocolate want to do. You understand me?
We don't take direction.
Me not take direction.
None.
Because me don't need people to validate me. You hear me? Yes, me don't need to come out here and tell nobody nothing about for my life. They can look on me and see it. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Over that, that's all you need to know for to get up and discriminate what other women bodies. Oh, people talk about your body. Where you gonna put plastic on it for? If you ain't got plastic up, nobody wouldn't talk about it. Huh? Nobody gonna chat about it, and you gonna bring attention to it. Huh?
Right.
Me can't sit down over here so, and grudge somebody for sitting with me can't go pay for it if me want it. That makes sense. That makes sense, Tona? Me forget up and bad mind somebody for sitting with me can't go pay for if me want it. Huh?
You can buy it yourself.
Huh? Me no want a plastic body. Me no want nobody to deflate me. Yes.
Take a pen and pop it.
No offense to anybody who do them things there. As long as I'm not walk around and trouble people. Me not have a problem with people doing what they want to do. As long as them none walk around and trouble people. Yeah. Me no want no plastic body. Me no want me no get like all youth me buck you up in a real life. If me fi kick you down. Me no want you grab no pin and pop my body. Cause that me that do you. If me ever see you in a real life. Juke you with my rotted pin or my pen in your ass. Deflate that shit.
Deflate.
Yeah.
Deflate like a balloon.
Yeah. You understand me? We get up and jealous after you for what? Cupcakes? I like if you jealous of cupcake. Now what do you? Huh? If you jealous of what? Cake? Me look like me need cake. What you have for me bad mind you for? Cake?
Nothing.
I want to see me dying trial. People walk around a bad mind people for cake. You see, I'm sitting there upset. She said we're bad mind or we're jealous of her. For what? Cake.
Waiting.
Cake? A cake with bad mind you for? Cupcake? And we in America? With so much rotted cupcake there? So if a bad mind you for cup, oh, we want to make cupcake? And that you say?
Oh, yeah.
We're bad mind you because you can't make cupcake?
Yeah, no.
Or the backside wrong with you?
No. Let me ask you where you're digging in your bag so long for. Flawless says she will go find it for you.
You know something not even know me I digging in my bag for? To be honest, me not look for nothing, man. Sure. Nothing. Me not even realize that me I do it.
You didn't realize you were doing
Yeah,
it?
me not look for nothing. Me not look for nothing. Sure. I just pop no one poppy girl body, that's why. You know, so me have to put my hand for go out, keep my hand occupy. You see plan? Cause me not like you bag of chatting in the people. Not like you well for chat and it not do nothing. Me like to progress. Anything me do, me like to see progress. Me like to see something happen. That's how me stay. So because me there chat now and me feel like nothing happen, me just have to make my hand be useful. You understand? Yeah. So me I dig down in my bag for what me don't know. God know. Just fight the bag. Yeah, you understand? I fight the damn bag. Yes, you know what I mean? Sure. Wanna laugh off of me?
Oh, what a pin you look for?
What pin? Oh, yeah, I good at that. Yes, I good at pin.
I have one, you know?
You have pin in
Yeah,
your
you want it?
No, I don't want a pin. Yeah, I don't want a pin. I good at it, man. I'm looking for a bakery. Maybe I can run her foot hot by starting a car. You should, man, but be careful because nobody else not supposed to bake beside her, you know. Yeah, nobody not supposed to bake beside her.
Alone.
Yeah, she alone for bake. Yeah, and she alone for bake. Yeah, and nobody else can decorate cake with flowers. Cause that's why she take over my master baker. Because me did a decorate my cake them with flowers. So apparently she alone to decorate cake with flowers. Me never did know that. You understand? So that's why my master baker belong to her. And she alone, look how my body big and nice for master baker. See her body no look so how that can be her. Yeah? How that for be her.
Master Baker pregnant for 18 months.
Master Baker breed for how long? And she not breed. How that for be her? Wanna tell me now? The only time me do an episode directly for her, that I did. When she thinks that she could have skit out Master Baker, me sure how it's done. Yeah, me not afraid for tell whomever watch it. Yes. Yes. One. Because you want to make my Master Baker about her, so I'm sure. Yes, I'm sure how it's done. And that's not showing you, honey. That was true.
We were just having a little fun.
Because, let me tell you, if I put on for me acting at, as Master Baker come for you in a skit, me not ask you, me I tell you, you can't manage Master Baker. You cannot. Yeah. Yeah. That's true, you know. Yeah, you can't manage Master Baker. Me not ask you. Yeah, when me a Master Baker, me a Master Baker. Yes. Yeah. So just leave me alone. Leave me alone if you know a good fear. I mean, now tell you, not skip me. But don't cry when Master Baker come back. That's all me gonna tell you. Don't you have sleepless nights and cry.
Don't come play victim. Are you asked for it?
Don't come play victim.
Are you asked
but
for
me
it?
just come on to tell you, say, there's no way you're not gonna live for see me skit for my auntie. No. Skit out my auntie. You understand? You're not gonna live for see it.
No.
Yeah. Queens, you guys are in your own lane. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, we are in our own lane and we want to stay in our lane. You understand? When I want them big old dump garbage truck come try to come over in our lane.
Right.
When we're in our lane and we're focused and we're not focused on nobody.
No.
You understand? Leave in our lane. Leave us in our lane.
Let us be.
Yes. Let us be. We not come out here come bother nobody. No. Like me say, and not everybody are gonna love we. We're not everybody cup of tea. No. That's impossible. Not everybody are gonna love, and that's fine. We're not gonna love everybody either. But that don't mean say we have to come out here and try to pick on people because they're probably not our cup of tea. No, let them be and let us be. People will like we, them are gonna come see we. You understand? Yes, just love we. Yes. SenatorJealousy.com. Yes, all jealousy. She claims that we jealous of her. Everybody jealous of her. For our cupcakes.
For what?
You know what I mean? For our cupcakes. Yeah. Just upgrade me. But anyways, you know say I know that we did come on for tonight.
I know that.
We come because we want, and that's why we have my bag. Because we come, we want to see if any woman can relate to us and what we have inside our bag. Right? We are going to check out everything out there. Yes, I'm showing what we carry in our bag then. Yes? Me love these little backpack. I have them in all different type of brand. Yes? Auntie call them matey bag, but me call them hands-free bag. Right. Because me like, especially when me I travel, me like for just have it and me hand free. Me not like for have, you know, have find place to put my bag or and stuff like that.
Just
me just have it on my back. Yes? And the most time I want to travel, we have them backpack. Yes. So I want to see what in my backpack. Me just grab it up from downstairs and bring it up. So, yes. And Vanilla a fair one. So, who you want to go first and empty your backpack and show them what you have in your backpack? Me I go show. Yeah, me like to be hands free. Right. Have it on my back and not to think about nothing. Yeah, I forgot. Lower the camera so they can see. Yes?
Alright.
You have to lower the camera so when you put it on the counter,
you can see.
On the table, they can't. How are they going to see? Right? Like that. Yes.
Alright.
Vanilla go first.
May I go first? So, may I have gum, garbage, receipts, a piece of gum that fell out, paper. This is from Dubai when we exchange my money. My panty liner. Lipstick. And then no instructions for something, like a book. Earring. Pen. Jewelry.
I'm embarrassed. It's still going after me one.
Lipstick.
Lipstick.
The eyebrow sharpener.
Eyebrow sharpener and a sharpener that's
the razor you use.
Oh, it's a razor. Oh, sharpen.
Yeah, you use it for
or line up your eyebrow.
For line up your eyebrow.
Yeah, but you said sharpen.
Oh no, man, I mean sharpen.
Okay.
Got earrings, garbage. All right. Let me put that back into that part. Put it back.
No, just leave it. Just continue. Right. Yeah, because remember me have for me one me.
All right.
What God me feel.
I have this a glue for eyelashes. I have a toothbrush.
That's how that buggle. Lord God, me
I have my COVID vaccination card. $1. But I normally carry money. One receipt. This is from Dubai too.
So you're gonna clean all that bag before you get back?
I have Dubai money. I have a pin. Safety pin. You never know when you might need it. Yeah. I have mail. A brush. Eyelashes. You never know. Hand sanitizer. Vaseline.
No say your bag worse yet flawless, cause me not going after me yet, so don't
Have a razor, cause you never know. I might have to shave. I have some earphones. I have nail polish. You never know in case my nail chip.
Backside.
I have the thing for applying my makeup, the makeup sponge. I have some body spray. I have receipt from the dry cleaner. Receipt from Home Depot. There's the same receipt. They just printed too.
What you tell me for?
More makeup sponges.
Jesus God.
Here's a cap for this. It fell off.
No, sir.
I have one ginger candy.
What a
My
mess.
wallet. Gosh. I have makeup. I have a comb.
Damn.
I have a tissue, a paper towel, piece of paper towel, and some more garbage.
You have to show them the garbage to where you move so fast with the garbage. Show them the nastiness that come out of your bag.
See, paper towel. I have more Dubai money. More panty liner.
That's it.
No?
Oh.
Something in here.
Backside.
Now,
Jeanette said, oh Lord, no sir.
Remember thing from a lollipop? The stick? Because I'm such a lollipop in my bag? I don't know.
Damn, you're going to put back all of them crowd?
Yeah, I'm not going to put it back. When we go on, make clean it out.
You're not cleaning out, man. You're lying. When you go over here, clean it out. You're damn lying. You're going to walk around with the same way. With the bag. Good night, Diane. Not. Yeah, but when you go over, you're going to clean it out. What's your jewelry? Necklace?
I have more.
Oh, on the pocket part.
Yeah, I had to pick up some of it. I have more jewelry. More a pair of earrings.
Me box said that we are doing so much earring. Look here. A whole bunch of earring in our bag. For what?
I have more receipts. Some of them you can't even see it anymore.
That's because they're so damn old.
Yeah. Jeez, I'm cruel.
Look here.
More receipts.
Nasty piece of receipt. Jesus.
One gum wrapper. My one perfume. My one phone charger.
Oh, wow.
I have breath strips. Keep your breath fresh. Mud and stink. I have one next little perfume.
Damn, girl.
Hold on. Now some silver in here, man.
One heap of carousel.
One heap of silver.
Not a clean up, Christina. Not
No.
one clean up.
I have one hair elastic.
Mm-mm.
And I have them sitting there, you know, when you go to Macy's, Bloomingdale's, them type of places. This is from Bloomingdale's. I went and was testing perfume.
And why you have to capture people and piece of perfume cardboard for put in your bag?
I don't know.
Nah,
Didn't
Jesus.
smell anymore. Whatever it was.
Obviously not. Cause probably like
Whatever it was, it
couple years now you have eaten that. No, sir.
may try. It don't smell anymore. It smell gone.
Grab them up and dash them back in your bag because I saw them in there. What a mess, people. I'm afraid for going up for me. I'm afraid I know. Oh, Jesus.
Your turn, chocolate.
Oh, can I run it? No, sir. Why? Jesus help me. Please, God, no make nothing in there. Well, we're going to shame me. All right. Hold this to the comment there. Yeah. God, no make nothing in there. We're going to shame me. All right. Let's go. Fill my bag heavy. My bag always ended up heavy. If me go grab one next backpack, me sure it all heavy. All right. Super heavy. All right, let's go. Jesus gosh. First thing me can feel is a shade. We have shades in there in my case. A pair of shades. I love my shades. All right. Summer Eve wipe. Yeah? Wipes. It done, you know. Flat, baba. It done. Okay. Piece. How did this reach in my bag? You know, so this I said no way you put in a dryer for dry clothes.
How did you end up with a dryer sheet in your bag?
Yeah, dryer sheets, a brush, yes. Lord of mercy.
They said just dump out everything.
Just dump it out? Okay. My purse. My purse. Yeah.
So you know we alone, people say they can't live out of them bags.
A pad, yeah. Receipt. Lotion, yeah. My Jimmy Choo lotion. Perfume. I walk with it, yeah. Always walk with a big size bag of perfume. Wipes. 2 pack of wipes.
Headphones.
2 sets of headphone. I think I get the one up on the plane. I never use it.
That's where I got mine, was on the plane.
This one of mine, I get this on the plane. Okay. Oh crap. I just come back so my passport's still in there. My passport. Alright.
Cheese and chocolate, man.
Oh, one buckle of Vaseline. Oops. Vaseline. Yeah. This is a face hydrating thing for your face. So my face get dry. Lipstick. One clear nail polish. One bubble gum pack, but only one piece of gum in there. Yeah. Receipt. Vitamin. Oh God. Me have to be careful as something cut me in this backside. Alright. This I lotion from a hotel. I don't know why I put it in a yes. See lotion and the people in hotel. Hold on, I don't want nothing cut me. Hold on. Hold on. Thing drop on the ground. My bag drop. Oh, hold on. Okay. I go as fast as I can. One little mirror with eyeshadow. I not use them. Just see mirror. Yes. This like Q-tip in there and floss. Q-tip and floss, you know this. One next pack of gum.
Oh, they say they want to see it for American passport.
Oh, American.
It's blue.
Yeah,
the blue book.
This is a brand new one because I just did that for renewing. This is like my 3rd one. Yeah. A next pack of gum. One this is so old till it's flat. Yeah, and people have hotel. Me take it up from a snack. Yeah. It old. Yeah. More lipstick. Yeah. This our moisturizer. Face moisturizer. Receipt. This yeah, money exchange receipt. Oh, I forgot some name and sitting there on him. I turn around there. Yeah. Receipt again. Hold on, we're soon done. Oh. One pack of earpin. Pack of earpin. You never know, sometimes your ear get in the way you want.
That's why I have the ear elastic.
A mask. One mask. It just in my bag, so receipt again. This one souvenir I mean bring back from Dubai, still in my bag. Anybody want it? Fee fridge. Stuck on the fridge. One lollipop.
And a pen.
One next lotion.
How many lotions that make?
Three lotion. One pen. More receipt. Almost there. One next lipstick. Nail clipper. Sometimes you have one little hangnail and then, you know what I mean? Sometimes you don't have one little hangnail, people. Or one little piece of your cuticle come off and then you're not nobody with one nail clip filling you. You never know what can happen. Some nail clip, yes. Toothpaste and toothbrush. Yes. And one and actually I not film this, I film mic. When we that travel, I put it in a bag, but it's a deodorant. Spray one. It's still brand new. Yeah. And on my own, and my own. Him they beg me for put in my bag for him. Yes, still got that. And
see, you're not the only one. Joy said she keeps a nail clip in her bag too.
yeah, candy wrapper. No candy no in there.
A salsa wrapper?
Salsa wrapper. And this a more receipt. And let's see. A tag for the bag. You know, the certificate fee bag. That's it. And one money.
Dubai money?
Dubai money. Me find in there. How much dollar this? $5. $5? Yeah, $5. Yeah. Yeah. And that's it. The bag empty. See? Oh, how would I drop out?
Paper.
One gum. Oh. Yeah, one next piece of receipt drop out. That's it. How many of you can relate to what we have in our bag? Put up on the camera. How many of you guys can relate to what we have in our bag? Think Vanilla did bad. Vanilla, they say you did bad. Yes, a nail chip comes in handy. I do as well.
No,
nail clip, yeah.
You worse.
Me worse. Oh, you think so Vanilla bad?
Are you worse? See?
Me no worse.
Ever blessed Nikki said she can. Maureen.
Just because this would usually be in my bag, my passport. So I become just travel. So this wouldn't usually be in there. But everything
Everything else.
everything else.
Cause she say fur bag stay bad too.
It turn bad and every bag stays so
Maureen.
no people. Because I go for one next bag I see them here. A whole heap of junk in them.
Yeah, but you know sometimes sometimes you go through and then it start collecting again. So
yeah, it start collecting again, yeah. And I'm a purse. Oh, I can't show because what if I can't? I don't want nobody get my information. Sorry, I can't go in there. Yes, but me travel with a full size.
see, and I say yes, you worse.
Me worse?
You're worse than me.
And usually me that have like pain pill in there, so like Tylenol or ibuprofen. It probably in our next bag. Yeah.
We usually have ibuprofen or Tylenol. We usually have
but wanna stop behave like say I'm me alone. Guy people them hotel and take with them like a lotion. You understand? And I'm me alone.
No.
I mean, I don't know why me take you away because I have so much damn lotion.
Right.
But I have a souvenir. You understand? Souvenir. Take with them like a lotion. Or who walk around with clear in a them bag. Yeah, you have to get a little clear.
I say when they clean the bag, fill up a Walmart grocery bag.
It's terrible, man. And I think a lot of women can relate to this. Yeah. The bubble gum thing. No gum not in there. A trash. What are doing on the bag?
Right.
Yeah, and about look how much pens. A whole heap of pen. Yeah. And lipstick. Some of them are lip gloss. Them only look like them have color, but the lip gloss. All this one a lip gloss. Yeah, I have all the one with the light in it. Where there? Or probably in our next bag, back side. Look how much lip gloss. Wally. And so much lip. And all them wipe here because yeah, me like to wipe. As soon as me touch nothing. Yes. This can go back. Oh, let me say it. Yeah, man. Couple more wipes left in this. Nah, that's sure. It's summer eve, yes. Couple more wipes left in there. Yes. And I have to walk around with this because I'm irregular. So I don't know when it's going to come. So
Me
we have
too.
to.
Well, me know around when mine comes. So
not
when
me.
I know it's coming, I prepare myself.
Not me, my own. One time I feel my back. Down on my back. That's
Your back
yeah, that's what I know.
Yeah.
So the time is near. So I just walk around with it. Yes. Me now put back it trash them people. On the time couldn't for making me clean my damn pocketbook. So damn shame. Yeah, me just put this on the fridge. Yeah. See? Yeah. Yeah, so that's it. I hope y'all enjoy what we showing inside our bags. and us coming on. And just a reminder for the people in Jamaica, if you joined us late, we are going to ship your stuff off on Saturday.
Yep.
It was a pleasure being here with you guys tonight. Thank you so much for joining us. We always appreciate you guys. We will see you over the weekend again, all right? I love you guys, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. And to my wonderful Christian ladies, just to everyone, all my queens, sorry about the profanity, but I'm not sorry about voicing how I feel. I'm a human being. I have feelings, and it's, you know, it's hard when somebody keep picking at you, and when you know you're not troubling anyone, you know, you gotta just let them know. You just gotta get it out, and that's what I did tonight.
Yeah.
I will see you guys back over the weekend again, and take care of yourself, all right?
Love you, kings and queens. Take care of yourself. Have a blessed rest of your week. All right.
Good night.
Bye-bye.